Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Madrasa Noor for the Blind has pleasure in presenting Fazail-e-Amal by Hazrat Shaykh al-Hadith Muhammad Zakariya Kandhlawi rahmatullahi alayh, consisting of stories of the Sahaba, virtues of the Holy Qur'an, virtues of Salah, virtues of Dhikr, virtues of Tablighi, virtues of Ramadan, Muslim degeneration and its only remedy by Maulana Ikhtisamul Haq Kandhlawi, 6 Fundamentals by Maulana Ashiq Ilahi. Recorded and digitally edited in our recording studio. Madrasa Noor for the Blind is a non-profit organization catering for the needs of the blind and visually impaired. If you have any queries, comments, questions or suggestions about our madrasa and its activities, then please do not hesitate to contact us on telephone 033 3979 673 or email us at audio@mnblind.org. Jazakallah.